Wow, today I'm so happy guys. Why? Because here I found a nest that I rarely see. This is a union bird's nest. Well, that's the mother feeding her chick guys. Wow, that's great. Let's review it.
Oh, guys.
This is the nest.
This is the nest, guys.
There. Wow, the chick is already big. Sick. Wow. It's big, guys, chick, guys. Wow, great this time. Well, this is the nest, guys. Wow, the chick is already big, huh? It's 7 days old. Yesterday when I came here, it was still small, guys. An only chick. This is a real only chick, guys. Since yesterday I found it, it also has one egg, guys.